ಇವತ್ತು VTU ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಹಾಯ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಲಾಫ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. VTU ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಓದ್ದೆ ನಾನು, ಬರೀ ಸುಳ್ಳು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನ್ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಪ್ಪ. I want to share my thoughts on that. So watch this video till the end. Nodi, sittu barutte, bejaru agutte, but I'll keep that to myself. Now moving on to the press release, my friends. Digital interactions reached maximum students. VTU. Is it some corona report going on here that physical interaction reached maximum people? COVID-19. See, the heading itself is wrong. How digital interaction reached maximum students? Yaar keltidira? Where are you getting this news from? While countries are at different points in their COVID-19 infection rates worldwide, there are currently more than 1.5 billion students in 186 countries affected by the closure of onboard teaching learning activities due to the pandemic. See, I told you it is a corona report. VTU ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Few students have been repeatedly representing in the print, electronic and social media that the online teaching has not served the purpose because of various reasons such as no connectivity or device, etc. See, that is right. We have not understood anything through online classes. However, statistics related to online teaching as reviewed by the VTU with its affiliated and autonomous engineering institute tells a different story. In Karnataka, engineering students have participated wholeheartedly in this online learning sessions. Wholeheartedly? My whole heart is paining now. See, VTU news are just like the pimple on my face. ಯಾವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೋ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Reports reflect that more than 70% of students attended the online classes. ಉಲ್ಟಾ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. More than 70% of students have not attended the online classes because of the no connectivity and device and running out data usage, which I talked in the previous video. And 95% of students have successfully attended the internal examination and submitted the assignments as well through online. We all can agree on this point that 95% students would have given their online examination. That is because students would be having their device while giving the online examination and there's no invigilation being done during the examination. And it becomes very easy for a student to find answers and write. And why would a student let go that chance? This has been confirmed by many principals across the state, including from rural places. ಆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ, ನಾವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವ? ನಮಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ? ಅದು ನಮಗ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ನಮಗ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಆರ್ ವಿ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್? ನೋ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೌ, as per the data received related to completion of syllabus, it's observed that prior to lockdown about 25 to 30% portion was covered, and during the lockdown due to pandemic through online approximately 40 to 45% of portion has been completed. Hence effectively, you see, effectively it's ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಂಬು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿರ್ಚಿ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಇಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, effectively is that word here. Hence effectively overall 70 to 75% of syllabus has been completed by the end of May month. Still online classes are progress up to 15th of June. Seriously, ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, I don't have to clarify anything here. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು effectively and efficiently it has been covered yet. VTU has also conducted a survey through the principals of these institutes to see the digital preparedness of the students. The digital preparedness includes the student possessing the device, desktop, laptop, smartphone, availability of the internet and digital platform. In this survey, it is observed that 80 to 85% of the students are digitally prepared. Digitally prepared and then we have smartphones. Give us the strong network, give us the data. Come on, VTU, give us. And then you can write in the report that we are digitally prepared. University is aware about the problems faced by the students in the terms of poor network, technical snags, poor bandwidth issue, understanding the content, etc. So university is just aware. It is not approaching to solve the problems. Also, VTU e-learning unit has its own YouTube channel with around 10,200 lecture sessions on 322 courses from expert teachers on various courses for VTU students. See, that is the problem with VTU. VTU syllabus very outdated. 10,200 lectures ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು 7-8 ವರ್ಷ ಹಳೆ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್. ನಮ್ದೇ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಏನೋ ಬೇರೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಮ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Also, teachers have tried their level best to connect with the students through different modes of digital platforms like WhatsApp group, Google Meet, WebEx, Zoom, MS Teams. For interaction, uploading lecture notes, study material and telephonic conversations have been conducted. Okay, in the perspective of the above details, it may please be noted that the claim by the very few students and small group of stakeholders is not true. It's not true. Guys, this report tells that navella nam problems helirodu, it is not true. They don't believe us. And it is not few students, majority of the students. They are claiming these problems. The university will make its fullest efforts to assess its students appropriately only after making them learn and gain confidence with technical and professional knowledge. Wow! What a climax! ಈ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಆಸ್ಕರ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿನಿಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇದು. See, this report has been geniusly drafted, very geniusly drafted by the VTU. First, they have mentioned our problems. Second, they have told that they are helpless. And third, they have proved that there are no problems. I'll tell you. First, about mentioning our problems. University is aware about the problems faced by the students in terms of poor network. Here they have mentioned our problems. Now comes that they are helpless. That is, also teachers have tried their level best to connect with students in different modes of digital platforms like WhatsApp. This is where they showed that they are helpless. And third, which proves every student wrong, that is, in the perspective of the above details, it may be pleased to be noted that the claim by the very few students and small group of stakeholders is not true. Very well played, VTU. Very well played. What a divide and rule policy you have applied, my dear VTU. ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಥ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜೀವನ ಒಂಥರ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಜೀವನ ಥರ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಓದಿಸ್ಕೊತಿದೀವಿ. ಗುರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಗೋಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ VTU ಅದ್ರ ಮನ್ಸ್ ಪಟ್ಟಾಗ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. And the only solution to all our problems is that we students should unite in this together. ಒಗ್ಗಟ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. So these were my thoughts on the VTU press release. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ to all your friends and make them aware of what VTU is playing with us. Thank you.